think you guys should come here to check in, take a picture because it's a famous spot to come here, like take a picture because the view. Look at the view. It's so nice. I recommend you guys to come here and I will show you the picture. And this is the flowers that I bought from the flower market here. It's a famous spot also that you have to like buy the flower there and then come here to take a picture. With my mom with the view. Look at the view, guys. Look. Guys, so I check about the information before I talk about this. So at first I heard that it's gonna close around 3 years, and I think that is so long. So I was like, oh, why so long? So I have to wait there before it's closed. But then I checked it again. It said it's gonna close for like a year to fix it. It said like for 92 years that they didn't like fix the thing, like you know, like the foundation part of the bridge. So you have to check, and maybe. I'm not sure that they're gonna rebuild it or something, but I know that they said some part of it might crack. Oh, so to be safe, they have to check on it. And yeah, so for 1 year, I think it's gonna close around July this year and reopen it again next year in the middle of the year. So if you guys come here in Thailand this time, go check on it because it's gonna close. So, but if you're not, you can wait and then come later. But I do recommend you guys to come here because it's a nice spot to like watch sunset, walk around, chilling. Like the view is so nice. You can see like Wat Arun and the community around like along the Chao Phraya river. So it's so nice. I do recommend to come here. Go there, สะพานพุทธ